it can be shown that if y is the sum of two functions of x, then to get the gradient function dy dx, we have the sum of the differential of each of those functions. So we simply differentiate this function and this function, and their sum is dy dx. This process generalizes to more than two terms. So if we have 3 terms or 4 terms, we just differentiate each in turn to get dy dx. For example, if we have y is x cubed plus 3x squared, to get dy dx, we first differentiate the x cubed, which gives us 3x squared, and then we differentiate the 3x squared. 2 times 3 is 6, and reduce the power of x to 1, but of course we don't normally write the 1.